Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is an update video, okay? So let's go to the content of the video. So as you can see here, I'm showing you like two journals, okay? And this video will be basically comparing the 1R with 1.5R, okay? Because I did a back testing with my community, as you can see here. Let me see. Yeah. You see here, I was comparing the 1R with the 1.5, and I will show you guys all the difference between both on some mounts that I backtested, and for you guys to see that 1.5 can be a nice improvement for the strategy. So yeah, for example here, what we have here, January. Okay, January, we ended the mount with 8% gain and 79% win rate. If we go to the 1R, the win rate decreased a bit. Why? Because one win with the 1R converted to a loss was this trade here. Let me show you guys. Here, okay? Price reached the 1R, but not the 1.5. Okay? So let me go to the 1R. Yeah, exactly, it's the same. Yeah, so January, as you can see, we have what? More 3%. As you can see, 8, 11. Okay, even with one more loss than the 1R, this extra 0.5 each trade makes huge difference. Okay, I think here I have all the months. Yeah, for example, as you can see, 8% compared with 11%. Okay, 1.5, 1R. So here was I made here the conclusion. I will check the conclusion after, okay? So as you can see, now February, let's go. I ended the February with 6% gain this month, okay? With the 1R, and I had like just 2 losses this month. If I go to the 1.5, I have 3. Okay, so what I can see difference here is the win rate was 80% and here is 70%. Okay, but see the gain, even with one more loss, I ended with 1.5 more than 1R. Okay, now March was a negative, a very bad month. Was when the war between USA and Iran started, so the price action was the worst I saw in my journey, okay, trading journey, and I have just 3 wins, 23% win rate, and negative 7%. But if you do the 1.5, look, the same exact win and losses, the win rate is the same, but the gain instead -7 will be -5.5, and this can be a difference between being so close to fail a challenge to just half of the drawdown. Okay, so yeah, let's go to the April. As you can see, I had 6% with 1R, 3 losses, 75% win rate. But if I go to the 1.5, the win rate is the same. Okay, so as you can see, just 3 losses again, but look at the gain. Instead 6 will be 10.5. Is huge, guys. Now and this month here was not handed at this time, but if I go here, let me show you guys. This is the April. Yeah, you see, 12.5, while the 1R was 7. Okay, in terms of losses and wins are the same, the same win rate, but instead 7 The April finished with 12.5%. Okay, is a big difference. So here, conclusion. January, I ended with more 3%. Okay. February, I ended with more 1.5%. March, more 1.5%. And April, I think was even more. Let me make the calculation. So, for example, like this, -7, yeah, 5.5%. So let's calculate the the gain on the 1 hour. For example, 1 hour, what we have, 8%. So 8 plus 6 of the February plus -7 plus more 6 plus 6, no, 7, sorry. Let me do it again. So January 8 plus 6 -7 plus 7. So the 1 hour, it was already until the end of the April 14% gain. Okay, now compared with the 1.5 hour, let's do it, the calculation. So 11% plus 7.5 minus 6 5.5 more 12.5. So instead 14% gain. With the 1.5, you will be now with the 25.5%. Okay, is huge difference. You can see the difference is 11.5% gain. So I was like missing this extra 0.5 each of my trades, and guys, it's crazy. I think I have the difference from even the 2025 last months, and all the months, sorry, ended better than the 1 hour. Okay, even a break-even month will end with the +2 instead break-even. So yeah, guys, this is a nice improvement that I want you to show you here on YouTube, just to update you guys if you are using my strategy. And yeah, this video is just to update you guys to maybe think about changing to 1.5 hour, because the difference is very huge and the win rate still very good. The difference until now is just maybe one trade that was a win on 1 hour, but 1.5 was not. But yeah, even with the one more or two losses, the gain is every time higher. Okay, so yeah, this is why we are now doing the 1.5. And if I go here to show you the last trade that we have, as you can see, was this one. Okay, and you guys can see all the guys hit the TP and even the PM session. As you can see, my guy João took the PM session here, and the news took the two wins, the AM session and PM session. Okay, so if you guys want to join the Discord and trade with us, we are trading every single day. Okay, so yeah, guys, the link is on the description of this video. So if you want to join and learn the strategy. And yeah, let me just show you guys the May until now is -0.5. okay, super transparent here. I showed you a super negative mount with the 1 hour -7, but I never had like a mount like that. Was really because of the war. But yeah, even with those losses, you don't lose the account, because even with the 1 hour is -7, you will recover on the next month. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, 1.5 even with the negative mount is now plus 25.5% gain. Is very good, and we are just in May. Okay, the last year I ended with plus 105%, something like that, and the student of mine, he ended with the 81% gain, and was with 1 hour. Now imagine one with the 1.5 hour, can be even more. Okay, so every month that I back tested, the 1.5 hour was very better. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video and like this update, comment on the video that 1.5 hour for me to know that you guys approved this change, and like the video, subscribe for to help me. Okay, and yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video. See you.